All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Yes, now I'm studying. I have recently completed my intermediate and now I want to go pro for my higher education.
Okay, let's make a start. How is the noise in your hometown?
Yeah, there are a lot of noise in my hometowns
There is
because
a lot of noise.
my home is on a main road, so there is a lot of traffic and horns and also industrialization sites, which the sound of machinery can also irritate me.
Okay, what are the bad effects of noise pollution?
Yeah, it can badly affect our ears and can also irritate us, so we cannot concentrate on our work very good.
Okay, this answer is short. You need to add more, and at least there should be 5 to 6 sentences for each answer. Okay, how can we reduce the noise in the cities?
We can reduce noise in cities by using public transportation mode and reduce our personal vehicles and also build an industrializations on the side and any open place.
Okay, is there any noise that you like?
No, I don't like, but I also prefer musics which can also play on loudspeaker, so it can give me
Okay,
relax.
all right, that's good. So your answers are extremely short. Try to actually expand your answer up to 5, 6 sentences, then they'll be fine. Here you go, speaking part 2. You will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Yes.
My topic is describe a problem you had while shopping online. So, few months ago, my friend ordered an shoes on online, and so it is in a half of price as compared to the retail shop. So I can also decide to buy a shoes. So I placed an order in Dras for shoes, and after a few days, I got a box. When I opened the box, unfortunately, I got disappointed when I see that the both shoes are of same fit. So I can urgent call the care customer so it can replace me. But I think I felt it was a waste of time. So it took around about 2 weeks. So I think that we should have to go to the shop and pick it up by our own choice.
Okay, your answer is short, shorter than a minute, and then you said they replaced me. Mean they replaced you, not the shoes. Okay, so there are a lot of grammatical errors, sentence structure mistakes. You should work hard, and you know the basic thing is start with helping verbs, then learn tenses, then learn modal verbs can, could, should, may, might, and after that you can learn passive voice. Then it's going to be streamlined. Okay, now let's move on. Can I get the topic? We'll go on to speaking part 3. Why do some people always prefer online shopping?
Some people prefer online because it is very convenient and it can save our energy and time. We can easily choose anything which kind of we like on ads or something on other
Okay.
apps.
When you go for shopping, do you visit any restaurant for food?
Yes, when we get tired, so for some break we can go to restaurant and have some meal.
Okay. Now you're not linking it with the basic question, which is about shopping, and then you use the word we, but you did not define what do you mean by we. Otherwise, it's a good idea to use I. So you need to work extremely hard with your speaking. Okay. Thank you so much.